Hi, thanks for taking a moment to watch a brief video demonstration of Akili's FP&A solution built on the Anaplan platform. So Akili's solution has been developed by a number of Akili's consultants to solve the problem of key financial planning components for your organization based upon some of the best practices that we've seen out in the field over the last 6 years and around 100 plus implementations on Anaplan across various sizes of clients across multiple industries. So at a high level, what this solution offers you is the ability to do reporting and analytics of the organization. So looking at a corporate scorecard and configuring the KPIs for the areas that are very important for you in the organization. And then from there, it allows for both annual planning and reforecasting activities, both tops down and bottoms up planning, and your standard three-statement reporting of income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. So what I'll walk you through is a brief high level of the solution through a number of different areas of the application built on Anaplan's new UX. So the very first one I'd like to start off with is kind of the corporate scorecard. So what this is able to do is provide a high level view of the organization across some key metrics that are important to the planners or management. These are dimensionalized by the key hierarchies or dimensions within the organization. So you're able to drill down and roll up the data and have it refresh automatically. From here, we like to get into some of that strategic what if analysis of being able to add initiatives and some details to those initiatives and seeing how that's going to impact a consolidated P&L statement. Next, getting into some top-down planning. After we've looked at the business and set some what-if plans and run through different scenarios, we can get into start planning some targets. So this allows you to set targets all the way up the very top from the geo and trickle it down to the region and then the different product segments for revenue, and then breaking those annual targets across the 12 periods of the year. From there, we're able to do a sales capacity analysis and either tweak either the plan of the headcount or kind of the different drivers for productivity across the sales organization. Next, getting into the bottoms up side of the house, this model offers you out of the box 4 different methods, ranging in simplistic to complexity. The simplest being just straight volume planning, so price times volume, all the way to the more complex, so revenue or cohort revenue planning, I should say, is all built into the solution out of the box functionality. Next, on the expense side of the house, offers the basic bottoms-up expense planning for your workforce, any kind of T&E, basic SG&A planning, and CapEx planning. So from a workforce perspective, it allows you to take a snapshot of your existing workforce out of your HRS system, load it into Anaplan, and then from there, do any kind of additions or subtractions or transfers within the org, then any kind of adjustments to salary, taxes, benefits, or any other compensation metric. And then on the SG&A side of the house, there's 3 different methods that are out of the box basic functionality. So either direct input at the intersection of GL account and cost center, a percentage growth driver based upon last year's actuals, just a simple growth factor to run it out, or being able to do that GL or sub GL or vendor level planning as well is also out of the box functionality. And then next, allocations as well. So if you need to rearrange dollars from one account or one cost center to another, out of the box functionality as well within the solution. And then finally, consolidating all of our bottoms up plan into our income statement for final report and analysis, and then connecting that to our balance sheet and cash flow. And that is the basic functionality of Akili's FP&A solution on the Anaplan platform.